yellow.
Doesn't yellow look pretty?
Yeah.
Now, do you want yellow?
Yeah.
Okay. Lucas, don't move. I guess I need a little more yellow. And mix. Mix. Oh, great. Stacy, now this is turning green. Why can't I have green? I need yellow. Not green. Okay, Lewis. Okay, eye. Does that feel good?
That looks great.
Lucas. Can I do the other side again, Mommy?
Mm-hmm.
The other side doesn't have the other side like that.
Other side.
That's a great idea.
Lucas, don't touch it, don't touch it.